Hello 10th class student, once again welcome to all for online teaching. Here myself UP Singh in front of you. Today student we will learn graph of quadratic polynomial. Also we will learn what will be the shape of graph of quadratic polynomial. So let us see. Here the topic I have written: determination of graph of quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. You all know already what is the general form of quadratic polynomial. So this is the general form of quadratic polynomial. Here the student, nature of graph of quadratic polynomial will be parabola. Understood? If, here the first condition, if a greater than 0, then the graph will be open upward parabola. Means that if coefficient of x square is positive, then the graph of quadratic polynomial will be open upward parabola like this. Look at here. Here the graph of quadratic polynomial, and this shape is look like as parabola. Okay, so this is the open upward parabola because here a greater than 0. Second condition, look at here. Second condition, if a less than 0, then graph will be open downward parabola. Means नीचे की ओर बनेगा. Here I have written, suppose p of x is equal to minus ax square plus bx plus c. Means here the coefficient of x square is minus. Therefore the shape of graph will be open. This is open, but it will be in downward way. Look at here, downward parabola. So here there are two types of shape of quadratic polynomial when you draw graph. So first of all, I am going to take here question. First of all, look at here. I have taken here question. Here question is p of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. So student, in place of p of x, let y is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. Here student, coefficient of x square is positive, so parabola will be open upward parabola. Here once again I have mentioned a greater than 0, therefore parabola will be open upward parabola. So first of all, find some points for drawing the graph. Student, when we put here x0, then the value of y will be minus 8. When we put here in place of x1, then the value of y will be minus 9. After calculation you can see own self. When we put here 2, then the value of y will be minus 8. When we put here in place of x3, then the value will be minus 5. When we put here value of x4, then the value of y will be 0. And similarly I have here find out some points for drawing parabola. Some points you have to taken in positive and some point you have taken in negative. Okay, now then the points will be here 0, -8, 1, -9, 2, -8, 3, -5, 4, 0, 5, 7, 6, 16, -2, 0, -3, 7, and -4, 16. From these given points, now student, we are going to draw a graph. For it, you have to take a graph copy for more convenient. Look at here. Now I am going to plotting all these points on graph paper one by one. First point, according to given in table, is here 0, -8. So 0 is the point of x-axis and -8 is a point of y-axis. So here 0 and here -8. So first point will be this 0, -8. Second point, according to your table, 1, -9. Look at here, I have plotted 1, -9. Here 1 and -9 will be between -8 and -10. So this point will be 1, -9. Second point, here 2, -8 according to your table. So second point will be here 2. This is the 2 and this will be -8. Then the point will be 2, -8. Next point 3, -5 according to your table. Here is the 3 and -5 will be between -4 and -6, because here this side will be 3 step 1, 2, 3 from y-axis and this side will be 5 step. So this is the point of 3, -5. Next point 4, 0, which will lie on x-axis, because here ordinate is 0 but abscissa is 4. So this point will be lie on x-axis. Next, according to your table, point is 5, 7. This is the 5 and this side is the 5 step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this side will be 1, 2, 3. Means here I have taken 2, 4, 6, 8. So this 7 will be lie between 6 and 8. So next point will be 5, 7. Next point here 6, 16, 6, and here the 16. This side from y-axis 6 step and this side from x-axis 16 step. Okay, now student, you have to join this curved line with free hand smoothly. Now we start. First point was here, so we will start from here. Join each and every point by which curved line will pass through these given points. Look at here, our pen pointer. Again here point 5, 7. Again this line curve 6, 16 this side. According to your table, next point will be here -1 comma -5. So let us see -1 and -5. Next point is -2 comma 0. Here will be -2 comma 0. Once again it will lie on x-axis because ordinate is 0. Look at here, ordinate is 0, so point will lie on x-axis. Okay, next point -3 comma 7 according to your table. Then the point will be here -3 comma 7. This side 1 2 3 and this side will be 7 step. So -3 comma 7. And next point is here -4 comma 16. This side 4 step, and from here to here 16 step. Okay, again join each and every point from here free hand curve line you have to join. Don't use any type of ruler. So join from this point to this point, again this point to this point, again this point to this point, and next this point to this point. So look at here, this shape is look like as parabola, which is open upward parabola. Look at here once again, open upward parabola, ऊपर की ओर खुला हुआ है. देखिए, समझ में आ गई बात. So if a greater than 0, then the graph of such type of equation will be open upward parabola. Student, before drawing graph you have to take a scale. I have taken here 1 centimeter 1 unit on x-axis and 1 centimeter equal to 2 units on y-axis. Okay, now I am going to take second question. Here the second question, draw the graph of the polynomial p of x is equal to -x square minus 2x plus 3. Can you guess that which type of parabola will be for this polynomial? Here negative sign, a is negative, so graph of this polynomial will be open downward parabola. Let once again y equal to -x square minus 2x plus 3. Here student, once again I have mentioned a less than 0, so parabola will be open downward parabola. Okay, so once again find out some points. Here I have to find it. Look at one by one. When we put here x0 then y3 in your quadratic polynomial, here is the quadratic polynomial. If you put here x0 then also will be 0, this side will be 0, then the y will be 3. Similarly each and every point you can find out. When you put 1 then y0 2, then -5 3, then -12. When you put here -1 then the y will be 4. When you put here -2 then the y will be 3. When you take in place of -3 then y will be 0. When you take -4 in place of x then y will be -5. When you take -5 in place of x then the y will be -12. Here the points are 0, 3, 1, 0, 2, -5, 3, -12, -1, 4, -2, 3, -3, 0, -4, -5, -5, -12. According to points which is given through table, once again I am going to draw another parabola. Look at here, for quadratic polynomial e of x is equal to -s square minus 2x plus 3, and parabola of this quadratic polynomial will be open downward parabola. So let us see how can you plot the points which are given in your table. First point is here 0, 3. So here will be first point 0, 3. Okay. Second point 1, 0. Here will be 1, 0 on x axis, because here ordinate is 0 and abscissa is 1. So point will be lie on x axis. Next point 2, -5 from your table. So next point will be here 2, -5. This is the 2, and here will be -5. So this distance will be 2 step and this distance will be 5 step. Okay. Next point, according to your table 3, -12. So look at here 3, -12. This point will be 3, -12. This side from y axis 3 step, and from x axis this side this distance will be -12 unit. Okay. Now join the points one by one. First point starting from here, so join like this each and every point with free hand. This curved line you have to join each and every points. Look at here. Okay. Now from other sides, once again plot the points which are given in your table. Here the next point is -1, 4, -1, 4, -1, and this 4, -1, 4. Next -2, 3. Here the -2, and here will be -3. -2, 3, -2, 3. This point will be -2, 3. Okay. Next point -3, 0, which will be lie on x axis. -3, 0, because here abscissa is -3 and ordinate is 0, so the point will lie on x axis. So this point will be on x axis. Next point -4, -5. Here will be this point -4, -5, -4 and -5. Okay. Next point -5, -12. -5, -12. -5 and here -12. So point will lie at this point. Okay. -5, -12. Once again join the curved line smoothly with free hand. Look at here. From here, this side, join each and every point. Okay, like this. This will be other side curve line. Okay, so look at here. This is open downward parabola. Look at here. Open downward parabola because this side is open. So understood? How can you draw the graph of quadratic polynomial? First one is open upward parabola and second one is open downward parabola. Thank you. Have a nice day. This is the method for drawing any type of quadratic polynomial, which will be open upward parabola and other will be open downward parabola. Homework, you can do homework from your NCERT book of quadratic polynomial.